Hello guys, and welcome back again to another TeamViewer video. In this video I will be showing you how you can change your computer name on TeamViewer. So the name that show up for other people when they connect to your PC, you can actually change it in TeamViewer. Instead of having like desktop something, some random word that doesn't make any sense, you can give it a name and make it look professional. So first of all, how you can do it, just go ahead and open your TeamViewer, and right after that you have to sign in. Right after you sign in, basically what you have to do is go to settings, and it is pretty simple guys. You can here your display name, you can change the name from here. So for example, you can change it to whatever you like, so lolly PC, and here we want to go and click on OK. So right after I did that, whenever someone tries to connect to my PC, it will be connected as the name of the thing that I wrote in here. Of course you can change it. So for example, this is desktop 0BGLOFL. So let's click remove and try to assign. If you try to assign with an account, with literally a real account, they will tell you that that the desktop that is connected is lolly PC. So let's try to connect real quick. I think that's my password, so I hope not. Yeah, I missed something, so let's try to connect again. Okay, it is wrong. Yeah, but anyway guys, as I said, you can actually, your account needs to be activated to log in. Okay, please activate it by clicking the link and activation email. All right. So basically, as I said, if you try to give it to someone or to assign to make account assignment, they will show up here as the name of lolly PC. Now you can actually change it from another way, which is going to your Windows settings and changing the name of your PC itself, or the profile that you are connected in it itself. So yeah guys, that's how you can change your PC name. So thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.